Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they closed higher on Tuesday as the Dow Jones jumped more than 512 points. Shares in automobiles and components, semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, and consumer durables and apparel, those sectors all gaining momentum, while on the economic docket, factory orders declining by 0.8% in April, durable goods orders falling by 2.1% in April, all as 89% of SP 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Salesforce.com announcing first quarter adjusted EPS of 93 cents versus 74 cents a year ago, on revenue up 24% year over year at $3.74 billion. Turning overseas, Asian markets higher today, the Nikkei rising 1.8%. The Hang Seng up 0.5%. China's CSI 300 down 0.04%, with South Korea's Kospi up 0.1%. European markets edging higher, and U.S. futures calling for a positive start. Now, in terms of expectations today, Brown, Forman, and Campbell Soup both due out. Well, on the economic docket, 7 o'clock in the morning, we have MBA mortgage applications. 8:15 in the morning, we have May ADP employment change figures. 9:45 market services PMI, as well as composite PMI. 10 o'clock in the morning, May ISM non-manufacturing PMI. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the Federal Reserve's beige book. Now, turning over to the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees its watch level at 2840. The relative strength index calls for a new upward leg. Long positions above 27.96 are favored, with targets at 28.22 and 28.40 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, sees its aim at 72.65, while the Dow Jones that moves towards 25,700.